Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenDots ONE earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Sony Smart TV via Bluetooth. Now this is the Sony TV that has Google TV. First thing is, let's go ahead and put these earbuds into pairing mode. Both the buds are in the case. I'm going to open the lid up. I'll know it's in pairing mode if it's blinking green, orange, green, orange. However, I get a solid green light and then it turns off. So for myself, let me put this in pairing mode manually. If you look on the back of the case here, you have a little round button right there. You want to press and hold that button and wait till the light here starts blinking and green, orange, green, orange. Button here, press and hold, keep holding, wait. Okay, green, orange, green, orange. Leave it just like this. Do not close the lid. Now shoot over to the TV. You want to go directly to your settings. You have a settings button in your remote. If not, just go to the home page here and then navigate to the gear icon top right hand side. So let me keep moving over here. And then once you're here, make sure all settings is highlighted. We're going to OK on the remote. Left pane here, we're going to go down to remotes and accessories. Right there. Let's select that. Now make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, and then we're going to go down one right there to pair accessory. Select it. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. The earbuds are still in the pairing mode. What do you know? It just found it. Let me go down and highlight it now. OK it on the remote. It says pairing. And we should get a pairing request as well. There we go. Pairs highlighted. Just go ahead, OK that on the remote. And then give it 1 second. Oh, it said paired. It said connected down there. And also the green solid light is on there, so I know it connected as well. And you can also see it says connected down there. So there you go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.